All right, this is going to be our color edit. So we're going to go to our downloads file and we are going to open up our image called color. Remember, you should have downloaded this from the shared drive. Otherwise, you won't be able to access this from your downloads file. So make sure you have saved this into your downloads file from the shared drive. Once you are here, we are going to duplicate this layer and we are going to call it, by clicking on layer 1, we're going to call it lasso, feather, levels. Okay, so we're going to be learning these 3 new tools. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to select this little icon here. I'm sorry, the one above, this little lasso. You're going to select a lasso. And then you're going to come over here to this horizontal toolbar and you're going to select Intersect. Okay. And then where it says feather, you're going to make sure that is at 100% because it starts off at 0 and you want to make sure that is at 100%. And we're going to be selecting 3 areas in this image. Okay, so the first area is this water, and you're going to just kind of draw around it like this. Make sure you intersect your lines so that you get these marching ants, okay? Then you're going to come over here to image adjustment levels. And we're going to darken our water here. And because we have it at feather at 100%, what's happening is when we go to darken this, it's going to gradually blend into the background. So we'll select OK. And if we click out of there, it'll remove the marching ants. And if we turn this on and off, we can see that it blends very nicely into the image because of the 100% feathering, okay? And so if we turn that back on, we can see that this is slightly darker and that it's very nicely blending into the image. Now we're going to darken this right corner. We're going to draw our line around the edge. Make sure you intersect so you get the marching ants. You're going to go to image adjustments, levels. And again, we're going to make this a little bit darker by sliding this to the right. Okay. And we're going to select OK, click out of there, and then we can turn this on and off. And we can see that the left and right corners are now slightly darker. We're also going to darken this area in here. Okay, marching ants. And again, we're going to go to image adjustment levels. Bring this up a little bit. Okay. And then it's nice to do this gradually because then you can make very subtle adjustments this way, okay? Now the final step is we're going to add a hue saturation layer to this and make the color intensity a little brighter. So we're going to come down to here. We're going to click on our little adjustment layer, hue saturation, and we're going to saturate the color a little bit, not too much, and then we're going to close this. And here's the difference between the two, before and after. Come over here. We're going to save this as a PSD file. It's going to download into our downloads as a PSD. We're also going to export it as a JPEG. Again, it's going to download into our downloads file. Make sure that's 100% quality, save, and then it's going to rename to color 1, okay? Go into our elements and principles of design project. We're going to insert it right here on the color page, insert image, upload from the computer, color 1, open, and we're going to move this down here and insert this into the box, resize it, and then bring our lines forward. And then move them around as we need, and then answer these questions, and there you go.